Good morning, one and all. Introduce myself, D. Sandhya Rani, DL in Physics. I'm working as TTWRDC, Min Karimnagar. I will explain today. My topic is vectors. So human life we using to the vectors analysis. So suppose a human to purchase any groceries, any home needs items, we using to the vector analysis calculations. Suppose, for examples of a man purchase of the vegetables are 2 kgs or 3 kgs. This is a vectors and calculations from the vector analysis. Okay. So now coming of the PPTs and so this is equals to vector calculation and so welcome to the session. Okay, so first of all we discuss about thing of the physical quantity. So what is meaning of physical quantity? If a physical, the numerical of magnitude into units is equals to physical quantity. Suppose numerical magnitude is equals to numbers of and units is equals to kgs, uh, kilograms and meter per second. So this is equals to units. Okay, this is physical quantity in the vector system. And main topic is equals to scalars and vectors. So scalars. Scalar is equals to any physical, any scalar quantity. The total quantity has to be only magnitude. Only magnitude means is number system. Okay, this is equals to a numbers. Okay, this is equals to scalar. So scalars, the scalar quantity has to be only magnitude. There is magnet space in magnitude is called of scalar. There is no have to direction. Okay, this is equals to scalar. The examples of the scalar quantities as length, directions, and length, length, direction, area, and volume, time, and mass, and power, power. This is equals to examples of the values and so many examples of the scalar quantity and length is equals to, so length also same, so length is equals to 10 meters and 5 meters and 6 meters and 10 20 about and time also same, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. This is equals to physical quantity has to be only magnitude. Okay, so mass also same, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, up to some depending on things. Okay, so this is equals to scalar functions and mm, so next is equals to vectors. So next is equals to vectors. So vector is equals to a vector. So a vector is equals to the total vector quantity has to be both. So what is meaning of both? There is a magnitude. We consider to the magnitude and direction. So we using of the magnitude and the direction. Okay, directions means is traveling from the north, south, east, north, south, west, some right, some left, some up and some down. So this is equals to directions of the vector. So what is meaning of vector? And a vector quantity is a quantity has to be both means is magnitude and directions in the space. This is equals to vectors. Okay, so vectors is equals to examples. So vector quantity has to be examples of displacement and velocity and acceleration, force, and electrical field, magnetic field, momentum, angular velocity, so force, torque. So this is equals to examples of the vectors and the most important topic is equals to position vector. So position vector means the specific point, the specific point function you need to the reference point. So reference point, what is meaning of reference point? Reference point is equals to origin point. Origin is equals to origin point. This is equals to reference and origin point. So origin means this is equals to origin. Origin means So origin point and so origin point, position point, and position point is equals to specific point function to, or when you need to the um, reference point. Reference point is equals to origin point. Suppose the origin point to traveling from the x comma y is equals to two vectors, and they're possible to the Cartesian coordinators. So Cartesian coordinators depending from the IJK, then origin to traveling from the any specific point. So this is equals to any specific point is equals to value p. So then total origin to the specific point of the value distance is equals to r bar. This is equals to position vector, and then r bar is equals to the total two components into the two coordinator Cartesian coordinators value. Then depending from the xi cap plus yz cap. So r bar is equals to xi cap plus yz cap. Okay, this is equals to position vector and unit vector. So what is meaning of unit vector is equals to the two vectors magnitude is equals to 1. It is called of unit vector. It is representing from the position vector by magnitude of vector. So magnitude of vector is equals to 1 normal position into normal position vector, then r bar into r bar is equals to magnitude of r. So magnitude of r square equals to, then magnitude of r is equals to xi cap plus yj cap into xi cap plus yj cap is equals to x square plus y square. This is equals to mod of r square is equals to, then mod of r is equals to into the root of x square plus y square is equals to 1. So x square is y square. How can we depending from the value? The normal position point xi cap plus yj cap into sum of xi cap plus yj cap. So I into I Cartesian coordinators is equals to I into I is equals to I square equals to 1, and x into x is equals to x square plus also same similar to j into j is equals to j square, and y into y is equals to y square, that is equals to x square plus y square is equals to mod of r square. Then mod of r is equals to the root of square is will be equals to, then root of x square plus y square is equals to mod of r. Okay, then unit vector is equals to position vector by the mod of vector is equals to, the position vector will be represented by the xi cap plus yj cap by root of x square plus y square is equals to unit vector. Okay, this is a unit vector. Okay, and then next is equals to uh, displacement of vector. So what is meaning of displacement of vector? Two positions and one position and two second position will be joined with the two vectors is called of displacement of vectors, and displacement of vectors is equals to initial position to final position to joined is the vector is called of displacement of vector. Okay, this is equals to origin to traveling from the sum of position p1, and same similar to some joining to some value is equals to p2, then p1 and p2 will be joined of the function that is equals to displacement of the vector. So is denoted by the sum of first vector is equals to a and sum of second vector is equals to b. The total joined is equals to a dot b old bar. Okay, then origin to traveling from the a vector, then position is equals to r1, and some second position is equals to r2, then displacement of vector is equals to r2 minus r1, then vector of r2 minus then vector of r1, then a dot b old bar is equals to r2 position vector r2 minus position vector r1. So how can we depending from the position vector r1? So r1 is equals to, so r1 is equals to, okay, R1 is equal the R1 is equals to x1 I cap plus y z cap. Okay, y z caps. Then R2 is equals to, then R2 is equals to similarly, then x2 I cap plus y2 j cap. So here displacement of vector is equals to then a dot b whole bar equals to then x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1. So this is equals to j cap. This is equals to displacement of the value. Okay. Then scalar field. So next is equals to scalar field. Okay. So scalar field. Okay. So if a point function in a point function representing from the scalar quantities that represent that is called a field. The total space is called a scalar field. Okay, so scalar field is equals to a point function representing from the scalar quantity in the place is called of scalar functions. Okay, this is equals to examples, scalar field examples. This is equals to gravitational potential and electrical potential and thermodynamics also, scalar field examples. And the next is equals to vector. So vector field is equals to as to same. So vector has to there is equals to both what is meaning of magnitude and direction, okay. This is equals to at the point function representing from the any scalar quantity is the space is the region of the space is called a vector field. So vector field examples of the electrical field intensity and magnetic field intensity is called a vectors field of the examples. Okay. So then next so vector diagram. So vector diagram. So we know that vector diagram using of the length of the magnitude. So magnitude is equals to the length of the magnitude. Okay. And the arrow. So the arrow symbol we denoted by the direction. Okay. The arrow symbol representing from the direction. Okay. Direction and magnitude. This is equals to and vector diagram. And so next is equals to so resultants of value two vectors. This is equals to two vectors. Okay. This is equals to two vectors. This is equals to two vectors. And 6 newtons and 4 newtons is equals to. So what is meaning of resultants of two vectors? The total combining two vectors quantity is called a resultants of vectors. So this is equals to vector have two directions. First vector has to same traveling from the same direction, and vectors is opposite direction. So first of all, we use into the same direction. So 6 newtons. 6 newtons is this is equals to force will be applicable. Then 6 newtons and 4 newtons is the same. This is equals to vector addition. So vector addition is 6 plus 4 is equals to 10 newtons. So traveling from the same direction. 6 also same direction and 4 also same direction. Here to combining two result also same direction. Okay. Then 6 meters and 4 meters also traveling from the same direction, and means 10 also. This 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Okay. 10 meter also same have direction. Okay. Vectors in the same directions. Okay. Then vectors in a opposite direction. So vector in a opposite direction, then 6 meter per second universe also same traveling from the right side, and 10 meters per second universe is equals to same opposite direction, to traveling from the opposite direction. Then will be the two vectors are subtracted. Subtracted means 10 minus 6 is equals to 4. So 4 meters second universe is equals to the opposite directions of the value. Okay, then 6 newtons also same having the direction, and 10 newtons is opposite direction. So one is traveling and one is equals to opposite direction. Then resultants of the value is equals to opposite direction. Okay, then resultants of the value is equals to opposite direction. This is equals to value. Okay, uh, so next is equals to next. So parallelogram law. So what is meaning of parallelogram law is depending from the parallelogram law, and so parallelogram law is when the two vectors are joined. So this is equals to two vectors, and one vector tail and one vector tail is equals to joined. The two vectors is called a parallelogram. The total complete of the parallelogram is joined to the diagonal system. This is the total result is found by the diagonal system. And triangles law also same. So triangles law is equals to sum of vector and another vector head to tail. If the joint of the vector is called a triangle vector, the total vector of resulting in the triangle value. Okay, this is equals to triangle value of the equation. And okay, this is equals to x-axis, and to traveling from the x, and this is equals to origin, and this is equals to y, and making, and this is equals to a part of a, this is equals to x. Okay, so this is equals to y, and okay. Okay, this is equals to, and two vectors are joined to tail. This is equals to parallelogram, and this is equals to triangle. Okay, then next. This is two vectors of force point. So force point is denoted by the value. One second. Okay. So point parallelograms are two vectors of the two forces acting on the resulting found. So this is equals to 0 to origin point. This traveling from the sum of a, and origin to sum of y value. Then to traveling from the position vector r bar is equals to diagonal system. Then total the parallelogram law system is equals to magnitude of resultants r value find out Jali. So how can be depending from the r value? So this is equals to this triangle. This is a sum of parallelogram, the sum of rectangular function, and to traveling from the sum resulting of the magnitude and the force. This is equals to OA is equals to, so OA and OD depending from the Pythagoras Siddhant in matrix mathematics, using to the parallelograms law. Okay, the Pythagoras Siddhant equals to the OD square is equals to OA square plus OB square also similarly. Okay, the OD square equals to or the OD square, the opposite side, the truth hypotenuse is equals to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. This is equals to Pythagoras Siddhant. Okay, then substituting of the magnitude of the resultants of the force value, we denoted by the then two parallelogram vectors and representing from the diagram, then two adjusted directions of the OP and OQ. So OP and OQ is equals to parallelogram system of the value. Then magnitude. So how can be depending from the magnitude? So magnitude is equals to R, the representing of the diagonal system. Diagonal is equals to R. Okay. Then triangle of AOBC and triangle of OAD. This is equals to triangle of OCD equals to value will be find out in. And PQ is equals to this PQ. Go to traveling from the A value is the Cartesian coordinates of P, and this is equals to Q, and this is equals vertical and horizontal lines will be considered. Then angle of making an angle alpha and making an angle theta. Then total rectangular function parallelogram function is making an angle alpha, two depending from the parallelogram method. Okay, the magnitude of resultants is equals to then O. So OC, so OC square is equals to OD square plus OB square. Okay, here to that OC square equals to, so OC square is equals to, this is equals to right triangle value. Then right triangle value is equals to OA value. Then OC is equals to R square. So this is equals to R square. Then OD square is equals to OP square plus AD square. So here to OP square is plus OD square, AD square. Then this is equals to A plus B whole square. Then A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here to converting into the this equation. Then OA square plus AD square plus OA 2OA into AD. Okay. So this is also same. Then OB square. So here do OA square is equals to P square. P. So P square plus AD is equals to sum of value 2AB. So making and 2AB is equals to 2AB. Here to find out the alpha, making an angle. This is equals to cos alpha, 2AB cos alpha, 2AB. So mod of AB is equals to, then B square is equals to B into making an, so this is equals to B into making an alpha. This is equals to OB. OB is making an alpha and B into sine alpha. So B into sine alpha is equals to B, OB is equals to Q square. So Q square into sum of value. Okay, this is equals to Q square sine alpha. So this is equals to P square plus Q square plus 2AB. 2 into AD is cos square alpha plus sine square alpha is equals to 1. So this is equals to 1, and 2AB making an angle is equals to cos alpha. Then OB is equals to Q square plus OA is equals to P square, 2AB, 2A. So 2A is equals to P and B is equals to Q. Then making an alpha is equals to cos alpha. Then R square is equals to then P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha. Then mod of the magnitude of R resultants of force R is equals to mod of R is equals to R square is equals to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha. Then R is equals to the root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha is equals to magnitude of resultants alpha. Then according to the two vectors have, then vector have magnitude and direction. We also find out the magnitude. Then according to the find out the directions of the resultants. Directions of resultants force is equals to P. So V is two directions. The P is traveling from the V, then making a total angle sine alpha plus cos alpha. Sine alpha by cos alpha is equals to tan alpha. So tan theta, then making a total direction is equals to tan theta. Then sine alpha by cos alpha is equals to cos alpha. Then according to the this value and q into sine alpha by, so here to q plus AB. So q into q plus qb. Then sine theta is equals to q sine alpha by T plus Q cos alpha. Then making a direction theta, making a direction theta is equals to tan inverse Q sine alpha by P plus Q cos alpha. This is equals to and value and so this is equals triangle of vectors addition. So what is meaning of triangle law? So triangle law is equals to two vector join, one vector and one vector join to head to tail. The head to tail is representing from the value is equals to vector's value. The total vector additions. So vector additions will be AB is representing from the A small a and BC representing from the vector is equals to B, and total triangle of the vector AC is equals to representing from the C. That when triangle of the vector addition is equals to AB bar plus BC bar is equals to AC bar. Here know that A plus B is equals to C. So this is equals to A plus B is equals to C is equals to resultants of the two vectors. This is equals to vector is equals to A comma B is equals to resultants of the two vectors. Okay. Then calculate the magnitude of the two vectors. So magnitude of the two vectors is equals to scalar functions. Okay. This in vector magnitude. So making an vector magnitude is equals to V, and making an angle theta. Then total we use it to the horizontal magnitude. Then using to the horizontal magnitude, components will be depending from the x components and y components. Here to here to using to the here to x components and y components. Okay. Then x is equals to magnitude is equals to B. So V is making an angle theta. Here to parallel. So this is equals to y is parallel to the y, and this is x is equals to parallel to the x. Then resultants of the value V, magnitude of V is equals to diagonal value. Okay, and V, then x is equals to V into making an angle cos theta. Then is equals to horizontal. Then cos theta. Then x axis will be depending from the cos theta, and y axis will be depending on the sin theta in vertical and horizontal axis. Okay. Then x, the total components of the horizontal magnitude of the components. Then x is equals to B. So here too magnitude what can be depending V. So magnitude is equals to V, and depending of the angle making on cos theta. Then hypotenuse. So this is equals to hypotenuse is equals cos theta. Then cos theta will be, so theta making on theta depending from the direction cos theta is equals to then x by V. So x is equals to components and V is equals to magnitude. Okay. So similar to sine making and sine angle is equals sine theta is equals to, so u v y is equals to V into the magnitude into making an sine theta. So sine theta is equals to y is equals to V sine theta. So then making an sine theta is equals to y by V. Here the total perpendicular components will be calculate this equation. Okay. Then cos theta is equals to x by V, then sin theta is equals to y by V. So this is equals to, and magnitude perpendicular components of the value and making an angle. Okay, so most examples of the value. So gradient of scalar function. So what is meaning of operator? So operator is equals to operator, and nobla is equals to differential operators. We using to the vectors functions. Okay, we using to the vector functions. So operators will be denoted by the operator system will be denoted by operator system will be denoted by, so del. Okay, so del. So here know that del. So del is represented by the operator system. So here know that del is equals to I Cartesian coordinates I cap dou by dou x plus z cap dou by dou y plus k cap into dou by dou z. This is equals to operator system. Okay, this is equals to operator system, and then operator system have three types, and operator system have three types. Okay, so first of all we use first is so gradient. Okay, second is equals to divergency. Okay, then third is equals to curl. Okay, this is equals gradient and divergence and curl. Okay, so we use it to the one by one. We explain the one by one. Okay, so gradient. So what is meaning of gradient? So gradient means operator system with the operator system into one the scalar product. Scalar product is equals to pi. Here know that scalar product, then scalar field. The total resultance is called a gradient of vector field. Okay, na? So what is meaning of gradient? So operator system into any scalar field, the total resultance of value is equals to gradient. Here know that then pi is equals to scalar field, then delta into pi is equals to vector field. Okay, then pi is equals to scalar field, and then gradient of pi is equals to vector field. Okay, this is equals to gradient, and the next one is equals to divergence, and the next one is equals to divergence. So what is meaning of divergence? So here know that divergence is equals to dot product. So if then scalar product is equals to two types are. So scalar into vector is equals to vector, and vector into vector is equals to scalar product, and vector into vector is equals to vector product. So this is scalar product is dot product, and this is vector product is equals to cross product. Okay, here know that is then scalar is equals to scalar into vector is equals to vector. So proof now. So scalar means is representing the mass. Okay, then vector is equals to acceleration. So vector mass into acceleration is equals to force. Okay, this is equals to scalar, and this is equals to vector, and this is equals to vector function. Okay, this is equals to, so where scale means there is magnitude. Okay, this is equals to vector, this is equals to magnitude and direction. So this is also vector, this is also vector is equals to magnitude into direction. Okay, this is equals to scalar into vector is equals to vector. So next vector into vector is equals to two product are there. Vector into vector is equals to scalar product and vector product. So scalar product is representing from the dot product. Okay, here to dot product. So suppose work. So work is equals to force into displacement. Okay, displacement. This force also vector, and displacement also vector. Here know that we using to the dot product is two vectors have to making a scalar. Okay, so the work is equals to scalar function. So another example here. So another example, power. So power also same, force into velocity or distance. Okay, force into velocity. Okay, so this is equals to force also vector. Okay, distance also vector. So this is equals to power. Okay, so next another, this is dot product. We using the dot product. Okay, so the next vector into vector is equals to vector product. So this is equals to cross product. Okay, cross product. Okay, so here note for example, so then torque. Okay, then torque. So torque is equals to force into perpendicular to the distance. So here force cross of displacement or distance. Okay, so this is equals to the force into distance, the force of the making an in cross product. The torque is equals to tau is equals to, so force into distance. This is making an cross product. Here know that the cross scalar into vector is equals to vector, and a vector into vector is equals to scalar product. Here we using to the dot product, and vector into vector is equals to vector product. Here we using to the uh, cross product. So now coming to the divergency. Okay, so divergency. So divergency means so the total operator system operator with in the vector field. Okay, operator in the scalar product. So scalar product means the dot product. Operator means operator is denoted by the del. So scalar product is dot product, dot into the vector. Vector is equals to a. So a is equals to divergency. This is equals to divergency. Then operator into scalar product in with the vector field is called of divergency. So if a is equals to vector field and divergence is equals to scalar. Okay, now divergence is equals to scalar. So for example, so operator system is written by dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z. Clear now? So operator system here to this also. Then vector is equals to, if a vector a bar is equals to ax, then a vector into components into Cartesian plus ay plus j plus az plus k. So here this is also operator and this is also vector function. We using to the dot product. So dot product here to then operator into a is equals to then derivating I components into I Cartesian equals to 1. I here know that then derivating of dou ax by dx plus dou ay by dy plus dou a z by dou z. This is equals to divergence of vector field. Okay, this is equals to divergence of vector field. Similarly, we using to the number series according to the total divergence is called a vector. Okay, this is equals to divergence. And next another one is equals to curl. Okay, so this is equals to curl. Okay, so curl is equals to curl is equals to, what is meaning of curl? Operator system in cross product of vector. So vector is called a curl. So he's representing from the value operator system into vector functions. Okay, this is equals to value and definitions. Okay, so definitions of divergence already we know to that sum of v is equals to some differential vector function v is equals to x comma y comma z and v1 is equals to x1 y1 z1 x2 v2 z2 x3 y3 y3 z3. This is equals to three components. Then divergence is equals to then operator system into vector function. So vector field. So vector field is equals to vxi plus vj vyj plus vz k. Then I into I is equals to I square equals to 1. Here know that derivating of vx and derivating of vy and derivating of vz is equals to divergence of vector functions. Okay, this is equals to, the next is equals to curl. Okay, the next is equals to curl. So if curl is equals to a curl of vector function is rotating. So this is equals to rotating, this is equals to, okay, then vector function is equals to rotating function and is rotating in the uniform. So uniform field is equals to 0 and non-uniform field is equals to not 0 and non-uniform is equals to the not similarly way, then field, then curl is equals to non-zero, then parallel to the way is equals to the curl of vector field equals to 0 and then so curl of vector field is equals to and then curl is equals to, so depending from the curl, okay, Okay, then depending from the curl, so curl is equals to then operator into vector field is equals to curl, operator into cross product of vector field is resultants of value is equals to curl of vector field. Then two vectors is also vectors, then total curl of vector also vector. Okay, so is representing that curl is equals to then operator is equals to dou by dou xi plus dou by j plus dou by dou z is equals to k. Here the f is equals to a vector function. This is equals to f1 x comma y comma z, f2 x comma y comma z, and f3 x comma y comma z. So here know that we calculations the value and derivating of the value curl is equals to high I terms is considered to I terms will be neglectable and j k terms also same similarly. So okay. So this is equals to curl of vector field, prove the value. So this is equals to curl of vector field, then I, J and K. So this is equals to operator system, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and dou by dou z is equals to operator system, and P, Q and R is equals to a curl vector field, that is equals to vector field. Then P is equals to represented by the x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, then q is equals to x minus y minus z. Then r is equals to x plus y plus z. Okay, then so derivative of I, J, K and operator system sum of value. So items will be denoted by the some negligible item value. Then I into derivative of d by dy plus d by dz. So this is equals to I term and z term, j is denoted by the value and j term will be neglect. Okay, then I derivative of I into sum of r value and derivative of k value in k into p. Okay, na? So derivative of dou by dou x is equals to x square plus y square plus z square minus dou by dou z into x plus y plus z into z term. So here, so derivative of k term is equals to k term will be negligible and I and z. Okay. So derivative of dou by dou x into x square minus y square minus z x minus y minus z minus derivative of y into x plus y plus z into k term. Okay. So derivative of d by d is equals to x square also 0 and y square also 0. So derivative of d by dx of x is equals to 1 derivation and d by dx of x square is equals to 2x. Okay, here know that derivative of dy is equals to y square is equals to 2y and minus into this is also 0 and this is also 0. Derivative of dy by dz is equals to minus z into minus 1. So minus into minus is equals to plus and 2y plus 1 into I minus so similarly derivative of x into sum of x square is equals to 2x and derivative of x into this is equals to y square is equals to 0 and z square is equals to 0 and 2x minus derivative of dz is equals to x square also 0 and y square also 0 and z is equals to minus 1. So here 1 and minus symbol is minus 1. This is equals to j term and derivative of x and x1 my 1 and 0 also 0 minus derivative of dy into x plus y plus z. So derivative of y is equals to 1 plus 1 minus 1 also 0 and 2y plus 1i plus minus 1 minus 2x is equals to z. This is equals to the curl of vector field will be definitions of the value. So similarly, we use it to uh, so this is physical significations of the value. Okay. The physical significations of values. Physical significations means the total, the divergence of values, physical signification, the total vectors has to the force of line, the total number of lines is called of flux. So this is lines of force is called of, the total lines of force is called of flux. Okay, so if J is equals to current density, so J is equals to, here know that J is equals to, and so here J is equals to current density, electrical current density. So divergence of current density is equals to 0. Okay, now this is equals to then vectors. Okay, this is equals to vectors of velocity. This total values will be denoted by the then derivative of current density value is equals to 0. Then this derivative of in magnetic field is equals to 0. This is equals to fluids of vector velocity. This is equals to derivative of fluids of vector velocity. This is equals to incompressibles vectors. Okay, this is equals to incompressibles of vector, and this is equals to also solenoids. Okay, then B is equals to solenoid field. Then B is equals to solenoid field. This is equals to physical significations of the value. Okay, the physical significations value, how can we define? Then the total vectors of line of force, then total lines of force is called a flux. If J is equals to electrical current density, then divergence of electrical current density per unit volume, per unit volume, this is called per unit volume, end of the fluid to converting into the fluid, then a magnitude, then derivative of the magnetic field is equals to solenoid functions and incompressibles value. How can we define incompressible values? The density also constant, then density remaining constant, then it is equals to isothermal process of the value. This is called of the incompressibles values of the gases and fluids, gases and fluids, the per unit volume. This is equals to, then derivative of the magnetic field is equals to 0, and then B is equals to solenoid of the field. Okay, this is equals to value, and physical significations of then physical significations of the curl is equals to same as is, the curl of the curl of electrical field is equals to the rate of changing of magnetic field, and then the cross product of electrical field is equals to the rate of changing of magnetic field, then rate of electrical, the curl of magnetic field equals to the rate of changing of current density. So the rate of changing of current density, and then total, the curl of vector field is equals to rotating function, and this is equals to 0. So the curl of vector field equals to 0 is called of irrotational function. Is non-zero is equals to rotational function. Irrotational function is equals to the total curl of vector field is equals to vector, and there is equals to 0. So the vector equals to 0 as considered to value of irrotational function, and non-zero is considered to the vector function is in a rotational function field. This is equals to physical significations of the curl of vector field. Okay, and main thing is equals to the, this is equals to curl of vector field. Okay, so this is equals to the curl of V. So for example, a fan is moving on, then middle point is equals to curl of field. So curl of field, then rotating, or the power is up, then stop of fan, then rotating of the value, then middle point of the curl of vector field. Okay, so then next is equals to, next is equals to, okay. Next is equals to physical meaning of the gradient. So physical meanings of the gradient, divergence, curl. So we using to the value. And so vectors, so if any vector given to the maximum, so is given to the maximum rate of changing of quantities. So grad is changing of magnitude quantities. Suppose temperatures also changing to the quantities, and if this is equals to gradient of the value. So directions, so the total vectors that given to the directions of the maximum rate of changing of the quantities. For example, temperatures also same, the directions also same. Then divergency. So is divergency means, if divergency means the total changing of the operator into the dot product in the vector field is equals divergency. So this is a divergence is equals to scalar field. So the scalar, what is the scale? Only denoted by the magnitude of the source and sink. Source and sink means sum of value. So flux out of flux into the fluxes. The source is equals to into the flux, and sink is equals to out to the flux is given to the point. Sum of given to the point. Okay, some given to the point, this is equals to some given, this is middle of the point. The sink is equals to some flux is equals to out to into the point, then source is equals to out to the point. Sum of values will be the diverging of the value out to the point is equals to source, and into the point is equals to sink. Then the total lines, the vectors are lines of force. Then total maximum lines of force is equals to flux. So flux will be moving on into the point, then flux moving on the out to the point. This is equals to sink, and this is equals to source. Okay, this is equals sink, and this is equals source. Already you know that. Then sink and source is equals to then vectors of the positive and negative. So positive, so sink is equals to positive and source is equals to negative. There is equals to positive vectors and negative vectors are there. And then the total value of the vector is equals to same direction. Then fluids, then diverting of the value, the diverting of the B is equals to fluids. There is equals to the value, the per unit volume of the value. Then diverting of the value D, and derivating of A is equals to 0. This is equals to incompressible value. Then incompressible value means that density remains constant in the value, in the per unit value. Then flux out of the positive value and negative value are equal. Okay, then positive value or negative values are equal. This is equals to divergence of the function. Okay, then curl. So if curl is equals to, then rotating of the value, then curl is equals to operator into the cross product of any vector field is equals to 0 is equals to irrotational function. Not equals to 0 is equals to rotational function. This is also conservative of the force. This is also conservation of the force also. You know that. So this is vectors operator. So they already told you the operator into the cross product of vector is equals to vector. So already the curl of vector is equals to vector function. This is equals to describing from the mainly the vector field. Then right of the rotation of the middle point greater than 0, and left of the less than 0. Sum of point is moving left 0, and sum of right is equals to greater than 0. Then irrotational function is same similar to equals to 0. Same similar to equation. The curl of vector field A is equals to similar to 0. This is equals to value, and then this is equals to total vector functions and gradient, divergence, curl. So this is vectors also three types are there: the line integral, and surface integral, and volume integral. So line integral is denoted by the sum of a path, sum of A to traveling from the B. This is equals to a path B denoted by the line function. This is equals to line integral. Okay, so the next surface integral also same surface integral. The area to converting the line is converting into the area is called of surface integral. and volume integral is equals to then area to converting the line, then area to converting into the volume is called a volume integral, is denoted by the surface integral is denoted by the Stokes theorem, and Gauss divergence theorem is depending from the volume integral. This is a lecture, and so Stokes theorem, the line integral is equals to area to converting into the area. The area is converting into the volume is equals to Gauss divergence theorem. This total lesson is completing of the session. Okay. Thank you for the session. Thank you, one and all.